Ohio Supreme Court Offsite Program is dedicated to educating high school students about the state's court of last resort, but it's also enlightening to those studying the law.
There was a moment where I was sitting there and I was like, oh, this is exactly what I want to do.
For just the fifth time in more than 70 trips, the most recent offsite sessions were held at a law school.
This is a great opportunity. We love doing this, meeting the students.
It makes it very real. This is something that some of us in our class are going to be doing within the next year.
The Supreme Court's stop was the latest milestone for the University of Akron School of Law as part of its centennial celebration that's building for the future while honoring its past.
From its start, the school had no, quote, no artificial barriers to admission due to race, color, ethnicity, religion, or gender. Think about that. They were woke back 100 years ago.
Whether it was during oral arguments, debriefs, or sitting down with the justices and lawyers over lunch, these aspiring attorneys received real-world insight.
Ultimately, what we have is the confidence that people place in the judiciary and in our decisions.
Absolutely amazing to have this accessibility because learning from other lawyers is so much better than learning from a textbook.
With inspiration coming in the form of ambition.
With education comes the ability to formulate a dream.
The reason I ran for the Ohio Supreme Court was because I wanted to work on judicial policy matters that would make the court system better for the next generation.
Expectation.
To see such diversity, it's just wonderful because I start imagining what these folks are going to be doing years later and how much they're going to be adding to the richness of what we can do for our community as lawyers.
And appreciation.
I love lawyers. The lawyers are good people, very interesting, very diverse, and I hope you keep all that in mind when you become lawyers.
I'm Chaba Sukost for Court News Ohio.